This video will cover the subtotal feature so that you can find out valuable pieces of information about your data. You have a great deal of data and you want to find out some specifics, such as how often is a product line being sold and how much does each salesman make, their average, their minimum, and their maximum sales. The first thing we need to do is sort this information and group it by salesperson. I'm going to be using the features under data for sorting and subtotal. I moved these here for the video. Yours will be much further to the right. Under sort, I want to first group by every salesperson. Then within the grouping of salespersons, I want to group and organize the product or sale lines. Click OK. And you see that I now have the salespersons grouped together. And within that grouping, I then alphabetize the product lines. Now I'm ready to begin doing my subtotals. Data, subtotal. After every change in salesperson, I want Excel to add or sum together the sale amount. And click OK. And I can now see how much each salesperson sold. But I wanted to know more than just that. Data, subtotal, and instead of the sum, I want to know the average. I don't want to replace the existing subtotals. I want to add to it. So I unchecked that box. Click OK. Now I have the average. I also wanted to know the maximum sale that was made. Click OK. And lastly, let's check out the minimum sale that was made and click OK. The next thing I have is I wanted to know how often is something being sold. This time it's data, subtotal, and instead of salesperson, I want to know after every change in the product sale line, and I wanted Excel to now count the sale line. And click OK. And you see now I have the information I wanted. I know how often each product line is being sold by my salesperson, as well as the minimum, maximum, average, and total of each sale. If at any time I didn't like the way this was unfolding, I can clear my subtotals, data, subtotal, and I click the button to remove or clear all of them, and they will go away. And I can start fresh to find out all sorts of valuable information using the subtotal feature. And now you know how to use the subtotal feature to find out information on your data.